Okay, there's two basic ways to find this quotient. One is to use long polynomial division. I rewrote this denominator as x plus 2a. And then we're going to check to see how many times x divides into the first term, x cubed, and that's x squared. We multiply x cubed plus 2ax squared. Mentally change the sign of each of these terms and combine. Of course, the first term combines to 0, and then we get 2ax squared. Bring down the next term, and then repeat. X goes into 2ax squared, 2ax times, multiply, multiply, mentally change these signs, and the result is 0. Bring down the next term, a cubed. X does not divide into a cubed evenly, so that's the remainder. And that means I can rewrite this expression as x squared plus 2ax plus the remainder over the divisor. And here's the way to do it with synthetic division. We write the coefficients of the dividend as 1, 4a, 4a squared, and a cubed, constant term. And if we're going to divide by x plus 2a, that means we put negative 2a in this little box right here. And by synthetic division, we bring down that first coefficient, multiply and add. Negative 2a times 2a is negative 4a squared. Add, we get 0. Multiply, there's our remainder again. So we get the same result whether we use synthetic division or long polynomial division. Now, just for the heck of it, let's go to Desmos and see what we've got here. I've written these functions as f of x equals the original problem, and g of x equals the answer that we got by using long polynomial division or synthetic division. This little table kind of proves that the graphs are the same. As a matter of fact, if I hide both of those, you can see that they just overlap each other. So they're just different ways of writing the same expression. And as I change a, all this stuff moves around. That dotted purple line is a vertical asymptote because if x equals the opposite of 2a, we would be dividing by 0. That's why we have a vertical asymptote at the opposite of 2a. Okay, so there's that graph of that function with a few points plotted. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. And if you have any questions, post a comment.